how to choose where you can receive notifications of comments on your Facebook. Today guys, I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just make sure that you like and subscribe in the channel. So let's start. First you will just go and open your Facebook. Then when you open your Facebook, you will just go here to this three line, click on it, and then on this three line go down to settings and privacy. And on settings and privacy, go to settings, and then you have to go to notifications. And on notification you will find list of options. You will go to comments, and here you can choose where you can receive notifications on of your comments. For example, I want just email, I will just choose this. And that's it. So I hope this video is useful. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.